Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own DIY t-shirt. Number one, you're going to be needing any plain t-shirt. It can be an old one or a new one. And you're going to need to lay it on any flat surface. You can lay it down on the floor or you can lay it down on a table. This is all of the equipment you're going to be needing. For your design, you're going to need either pom-poms or buttons. It can be like black and white buttons or these more colorful buttons. Or it can be rhinestones or gemstones. Then you're going to need something to glue down your buttons. You can either use a glue gun or you can use fabric glue. If you're going to be using the glue gun, I recommend you ask an adult or an older sibling. And then you're going to be needing a black or white marker. I'm using a white marker because I'm using a black t-shirt. Here you can see I'm using my white marker and I'm just going to be placing some dots. I'm placing the white dots so I know where my buttons are going to go on. You don't want to put the dots too close together because you need to leave some space for your buttons. Where I place my white dots is where I'm going to put the buttons on. This process can take quite a while, so that's why I'm going to be fast forwarding it. After that, I'm going to be using my materials. So for this part, like I said before, you're just gonna place all of your buttons on top of the white dots that you put. I want you to place down the buttons first and not just stick them down because you might want to rearrange the buttons and they already glued down. So please, first, just put down the buttons. Here I am using pom-poms instead so I can show you guys. You can literally use anything that you find, like I said. So this is what it looks like with the pom-poms. Here I'm using a different type of buttons. I'm using the black and white ones so I can show you guys again another example of different kinds of buttons. So for the glue, I chose this glue. Okay guys, so while I was opening the glue, I made a little mistake. I put the glue inside of the button and not on the other side. So I had to use another button. So I'm using the other white button instead. What I'm trying to say is that you should be careful and check which side you put it on. So I don't want you guys to put glue on the shirt and then stick the button. You should put glue on the button and then stick it down like what I'm doing. This process can be very messy. I got a lot of glue on my fingers, so if you want, you can ask your sibling to help you with it. All you have to do is basically just put glue on the button and stick it down. And this does take a long time, so that's why I'm fast forwarding it, and it did take a while for me to do. When I'm done using my glue, I close it up so the glue does not dry out. And the rest of the things I am packing away. Here's my t-shirt laid on the ground. Now I'm just going to be waiting for it to dry. So you guys can see the final result. I think it's super cute and I really love it. For this, I am wearing just some sandals, but you can basically wear any types of shoes. Here I have another DIY I made. This time it is with a jacket and different buttons. And then I just changed it to my own liking. Here I am wearing the exact same outfit, just with a different pair of shoes. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had a lot of fun too. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Bye!